Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. And here, if you're a teacher looking for new ways to plan lessons, create quizzes, and help students learn faster, this tutorial will walk you through exactly how ChatGPT can help in your classroom. So first, you can make a ChatGPT to create a lesson plan. You can start by asking it to create a lesson plan. For example, you can type it like this. Create a 45-minute lesson plan about photosynthesis for 7th grade students. So you can just hit on enter. And you can see ChatGPT will give you the lesson plan, including the objective, the breakdown in here, and the evaluations, and what materials needed for this lesson plan. And next, you can also let ChatGPT make quizzes or worksheets. You can just type like this. For example, create a 10-question multiple choice quiz on photosynthesis with answer key. Hit on enter again. So this will save you hours of prep time. Here you guys can see these are the questions and also including the answer key. And ChatGPT can also generate discussion prompts or even role-play conversation. For example, you can ask it, pretend you are Shakespeare and answer my student question about your plays. And you can also use ChatGPT to draft student feedback. You can copy a student essay into ChatGPT and ask, like this, provide constructive feedback with 3 strengths and 2 areas for improvement. It's quick, personalized, and save grading time. And then you can also use ChatGPT to write parent emails, generate project ideas, and create rubrics for assignments. And that's how you can use ChatGPT as a teacher in 2025. From lesson planning to feedback, it's your personal assistant in the classroom. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!